right, welcome to my soapy kitchen, guys. My dear husband again has been peeking. Not sure what we got here, but I didn't have to use my dangerous scissors. We got quite a bit here. Fun. This looks like stuff I've been waiting for. Here is some gums. So, we've worked with polymers quite a bit on this channel, so I wanted to work with gums and create a few things with you. So I hope you come back and see what we're going to do with this product, agar gum. Agar agar is super fun, and you can use it in a soap, and I hope you're going to enjoy that soap. Now this is something else. I'll show you what this is. I was watching one of my soap friends and realized I was missing some essential tools, and so I got them. So I ordered them, and these are clay tools for clay creation. So I'm going to be doing some fun things with my soap dough. And I hope you come back and see. Oh, that's cool. What we do is we got some big balls and some little ones. Oh, so many different ways to texture. These are what I was looking for. I've got some of these, more of these coming in. I think it was your fault, Denise. Denise at Majestic Apothecary. She inspired me to get some clay making tools. We're just going to put these in here. They came with a cute little case, which is kind of fun. But I need to have all my stuff together in one place, so I actually did look for a little tool case. This is how I have my brushes for my makeup, and how I organize a lot of things, but I will unpack them later. But yeah, pretty cool. So come back and let's do some soap sculpting this week. How fun is that? Bye for now.